What if I told you that you could create a complete YouTube video without filming, without showing your face, and without any editing skills, all in under 5 minutes? If you love AI tools that save time and help you build smart income streams, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because even missing one small tip could cost you a super valuable trick. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional YouTube video using an AI tool called VideoGen. This is perfect if you're building a faceless channel or just getting started. No camera, no editing software needed. I'll walk you through each step on screen. Just watch and follow along. Open your browser and type in this link: VideoGen.io vs Bennett. This is where the magic begins. With just a few clicks, VideoGen lets you create videos. No filming, no voice recording. AI takes care of it all. At the top right corner, click Sign Up. You can even use your Google account to save time. If you already have an account, just log in. Easy. Here comes the fun part. Just type in any topic or keyword you want to make a video about. For example, I'll type 12 skills to help you grow as a person. Instantly, the AI will suggest a full outline and video script. You can enter any topic: health tips, money-making ideas, AI tools, book summaries. The sky's the limit. Once you've picked a topic, choose how long you want your video to be. You can go for a short version, around 300 words, or a longer, more detailed one, over 600 words. Pro tip: if you're just starting out, stick to 2 to 3 minute videos. They're more engaging and viewer-friendly. Then, choose your language. I'll go with English since my target audience is in the US, but you can choose Vietnamese, Spanish, and many others. This part is fun. You can choose between male or female voices, American or British accents, soft or strong tones. Personally, I usually pick a calm, professional-sounding male voice. It fits my audience better. Feel free to test a few voices and find one that matches your vibe. Once the AI generates the script, you can tweak it however you like. Not happy with a certain line? Edit it. Want to add a fun joke or a call to action? Go ahead. You can also adjust the tone, more friendly, more serious, or more motivational, depending on your video goal. This step gives your content a personal touch, something many AI videos are missing. Once you're happy with the script and settings, click the Create Video button. Now sit back. AI will take care of everything: voiceover, visuals, effects, text overlays. It only takes 2 to 5 minutes, and boom, your video is ready to upload to YouTube. Once it's done, download your video in HD or 4K. Then upload it to your YouTube channel. Be sure to write a catchy title, add a keyword-rich description, and use a few hashtags to boost discoverability. YouTube success doesn't happen overnight, but tools like VideoGen can help you speed things up a lot. Imagine this. Instead of spending 3-4 hours on a single video, you could make 4 to 5 videos in one afternoon. That's exactly how I'm building my channel Phuoc Bennett AI, using AI to boost both output and income. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter.
Anyone to start creating.
Building a fulfilling and resilient life starts with self-awareness, knowing your strengths, weaknesses, emotions, and behaviors. Emotional control helps you stay calm and act wisely, while time management ensures you live with intention. Good communication and conflict resolution foster strong relationships. Critical thinking encourages sound decisions, and taking responsibility shows true maturity. Learn to say no, set goals, and stay committed. Embrace lifelong learning. Manage your finances wisely, and love others with respect and care. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or want me to review another AI tool? Drop a comment. I read them all. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more videos on using AI to grow your income and free up your time, straight from my real-life experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.